I bring in all the greetings and wishes from SPEED team and the SPEED faculty to Dr. Siva Prasanna for getting rank number 1 in CML Common Merit List, rank number 1 in AIIMS Merit List in MCH Surgical Gastroenterology.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
And phenomenal achievement and wonderful achievement.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
And we want to know from Dr. Siva Prasanna and where he graduated from, where he did his MS from, and why he wanted to do MCH Surgical Gastroenterology.
Sir, I am from Erode, Tamil Nadu, and I did my UG in Coimbatore Medical College, sir. And I did my PG from PSG AIIMS, sir, again from Coimbatore. I finished in the year 2018. And after that, I've been working at a hospital here in Erode, my native. And after finishing my post-graduation, I gave in 2 NEET exams and 1 JIPMER. Initially, my NEET scores was 368, 322, and in JIPMER, my score was 53, and everything, it was hopeless only. So then I decided to streamline my preparation, and then I joined SPEED and I came to Mangadu.
Okay.
Because I hope you remember, I came to Mangadu and I was there for nearly 1 month, sir. And after that, I started later that year, I started attending online classes also, general surgery and Dr. Basan's class also I was attending. Time was very comfortable, sir. So in the evening, it was very comfortable. And I started attending. And after coming in, after attending that SPEED course, this is the first exam I'm actually giving. AIIMS. I have not tried AIIMS in the past. This is the first time I'm writing AIIMS in the form of any set. And then this time I've got it.
So this is the first exam after preparation?
After my preparation, sir. Before that, I was, I used to read books, but it was not in a very streamlined fashion. I was not very focused. I didn't know what to do. I was doing it myself. I was reading all the books. I knew what books to read. I kept all the books. Everything was in print. I didn't read from PDF or anything. I just kept all the books. But after a good streamlined preparation, this is my first attempt in AIIMS.
I mean, were you working and preparing simultaneously?
Initial few months I was working, sir, that time. But now, before this NEET, since this time NEET and AIIMS is coming at the same time, I decided to study full time. So the last 5 or 6 months I've been studying only full time.
So last 5-6 months full time?
Full time. Before that, I was working and then reading something.
Before that, how many hours you generally used to spend for this?
So when working and reading, I used to study for 3 to 4 hours of quality time will be there each day, sir. And that is also equally good. And when sitting and reading, probably 10 or 12 hours per day.
Fantastic. Now, can we know where you started, how you started in the subject? I mean, you said you started in the Mangadu center and then you followed the online classes, SPEED Mangadu residential. Then you started online to follow general surgery and also surgical gastro. Now, how did you start, where you start, and what all you read, and in the exam what you felt this I made, this is the reason why I got this rank?
I'll first tell the mistakes which I made in the initially my initial debacles in the past and the first ranks which I was not able to get. And I think in that time I felt that preparation for final year postgraduate and this entrance is totally different. When preparing for theory or orals, if there's going to be a table, for example, you can afford to miss 1 or 2 points, but here you cannot miss an entrance examination. There, if you miss, you will get out of 5 marks, you may get 3.5 marks or something like that. And Viva, if you tell, they'll be very happy. But here you cannot miss even 1 single point. So the way of preparation is very different. And in
now, we have been discussing about the preparation strategy in how did you start and what you started, and then we go on from there. Yeah.
So during post-graduation, I used to get seminars and class presentations. They knew I was interested in surgical gastroenterology, so they used to give me topics related to surgical gastroenterology. So at that time, I used to prepare from standard textbooks like Sabiston, Shackelford, and Bloomgart. And that time, old edition of Shackelford and Bloomgart were very there, sir. Then I started reading. Not that really helped during the entrance, but it was a very good foundation actually. And then I started reading. Initial NEET, I felt this is definitely not enough. And then I came to Mangadu and I started attending the online classes. So at that time, I had an idea on how to write a proper entrance examination. Basansa's classes were very useful, sir. And those classes I was looking in the context of writing NEET only. I never thought I'll write AIIMS. AIIMS, I thought will always be beyond my reach. I'll not be able to write. Probably some 4 months back, I decided to write one mock exam. It's still there in the app. And the results of the answer discussion also there in the app. Usually I don't write all the 100 questions. 50 questions I'll write and 50 questions I'll do it the next day. I'll do 50 questions, find the answers, read all the topics related to that particular question paper, and then go for the next. So one paper will take 1 day or 1.5 days. So that day I decided to do all 100 questions, and I found out to my surprise, I was able to answer most of the questions. So I thought this time we will give NEET, AIIMS also will give. And then I thought this is the first attempt I'm writing AIIMS.
So that paper gave you the confidence?
That paper definitely gave me the confidence. I thought I'll not be able to write, I'll not be able to know any of the questions. So most of the questions, 80 to 85% of the questions I was able to answer. So that gave me a real boost actually. That was right 5 or 6 months back only.
So were you attending this live online classes of Dr. Basant in Speed Learning app daily?
Yes, sir. Your classes
All
and
classes?
Basant's classes, both used to attend. Mostly live classes I attend, sir. If not live class, I'll make sure I attend. Probably I would have missed 3 or 4 of your classes and 3 or 4 of Basant's class. Apart from that, I have not missed.
So you went through all the videos of general surgery and also surgical G in the app?
If I have any doubt, I'll just put the video. If you really don't have time, you can put in 1.5 speed or something like that, and you can always hear.
Were you able to complete?
Yes, sir. Most of the topics I was able to complete. Before AIIMS, I was able to complete nearly 2 revisions or 3 revisions. I was able to complete most topics.
So how many revisions you made?
Previously, I had read Sabiston some 5 or 6 times, sir. The old edition also. And then when the new edition came on, that also I was able to read some 2 or 3 times. Shackelford, actually, we'll find it very comfortable only, sir. The print is quite big. So we'll be able to read almost completely Shackelford fully we'll be able to read. And AIIMS, actually, there is more of stress on esophagus, colon, everything will be asked directly from Shackelford only. So better to read. If not possible, we can always look into the PPTs, sir. Actually, we can revise it very quickly, sir. If you look into the PPTs before the exam, at least twice you will be able to, revise that. Bloomgart only selected topics. The first 200 pages, I think, is very important. It will be very dry, but you cannot go to institute exams without knowing, be it JIPMER or now INICET. You'll have to know fully. The first 200 pages is better to read. If you're able to read other topics like biliary and pancreas, liver, certain parts of liver, it is good. Otherwise, you can always look into the PPTs. Basansa's classes were very useful, sir. It was phenomenal. Even before the interview also, it was very useful.
You can elaborate on that. You can elaborate on Dr. Basant's SG class. He put in a lot of efforts, and to take in on weekly 3 days of a class and to mock interviews, training of a session, and he was doing a dedicated job for surgical gastroenterology aspirants.
I really have to thank Basant, sir. I never thought I'll be able to crack AIIMS. The thing is, that's what initially I was thinking we'll write only NEET with the help of this knowledge. I didn't think I'll go for AIIMS. Sir used to tell the topics which will be discussed in this weekend. So it's better if any students, if they read and go, it will be even more useful, sir. The classes will be really useful. And make sure if you miss any class, always go and listen to the recorded version.
So your aim of being a surgical gastroenterologist, and that too today in AIIMS, how do you feel? What is that
I feel really overwhelmed, sir. Just 5 months back, I didn't think I'll be able to crack. NEET, I had a hope, sir. Definitely, I'll get NEET. I thought I was attending both general and surgical gastro. But this time in ESS also, there was a lot of general topics. Will be some 20 questions were from general and general topics. So that was.
Now, your aim of MCA surgical gastro and was the institute of AIIMS also was there in your mind previously, or now having got in ESS and AIIMS means that has been okay with that, or still you will give a NEET exam?
I can't give NEET exam because I have to join before that, sir. That is one thing. But if I were able to write, I'll just write anyway, sir, because I just prepared. No?
Prepared.
I'll just write. But this, I think, I'll have to go and join, sir. So.
Yes. So, what is the number of questions that you attended in this exam?
Number of questions I attended was 76, sir. I left 4. Even when I was able to eliminate one of the options, I went in for that question. Only those 4 I was not able to do anything else.
4 from surgical GE or?
I think 3 were from general, sir. Probably one or two will be from SG. That's it.
Okay. So can we take it this way? Attending maximum number of questions gives a reach to the top rank.
That was also told by Basant sir right before the exams. It's not going to, since the number of seats in INI is very less, it's better to go for an aggressive approach and rather than leaving a lot of questions and coming. It always works. NEET, probably you'll have to be more careful depending on the difficulty of the exam question paper. This, I think, better to attempt more than 75 questions.
Excellent. Now, what will be your guidance and advice to aspirants of surgical gastroenterology, MCS surgical gastroenterology?
Try to read standard textbooks right from the beginning. Give more importance to Bailey and Love and Sabiston right from your PG days. And even if you're working and preparing, not a big problem, sir. 3 to 4 hours of studying per day, quality time is enough. And probably the last 3 or 4 months, if possible 6 months, kindly get leave and then decide and read full time. Shackleford is actually very important when it comes to institute exams. Bloomgart is very difficult, sir. It is our Harrison is Bloomgart. So the print is also very small. It's very difficult to read. At least the initial 200 pages. Divide it each day. At least read 10 pages per day or 20 pages per day. Keep reading it. Underline. Now everybody is reading in PDFs only, sir. So better to read that. And the rest, if you're able to read. Otherwise, you can always look at the PDF, PowerPoints, and then.
So were you reading the book before the class or after the class?
Topics which sir tells you can comfortably read it that week, sir. Okay. 1 or 2 topics. Probably if it's going to be pancreas, means it will be part of pancreas only that particular week.
No, I was asking you if pancreas is taken in the class, you go and look into the book after the class and to complete it and go to the subsequent class. How are you doing it actually?
No, before the class itself, you look at it once, sir.
So you come prepared for the class?
Definitely you come prepared for the class. As far as possible, please come prepared for the class. So that it will be useful. It will be a training session. That class also will be a mock exam for you.
So you come prepared for the topic, for the class, then you keep answering the question and you keep moving with the class. That's the way you did it?
Did it. Yes, sir. Mostly I used to come prepared for the class. If there are some topics which I couldn't prepare that week, then definitely you should go back and read those topics.
So that was your style and routine. That means come prepared, attend the class, participate in the discussion, make it like a mock, and keep
if
going
possible,
with that.
Definitely go and read back again. It will mostly be a Sunday. Class will be over on Sunday. 3 classes will be over on Sunday. So mostly in Sunday evenings, if you go and read, sir will also be telling, sir, after the class, kindly go and read, kindly go and read. Probably I took that very seriously and I read.
So did you give all the grand test and mock exams and topic test in the app?
Yes, sir. AIIMS also. After I started writing AIIMS papers, I thought, okay, we'll write this also. Since this time it's going to be any SS, I thought I'll write all the instant. That's what if possible, I'll solve all the questions, sir. If it's going to be 80, otherwise you can always solve 50 each day and you can finish it, sir. Actually, solving question papers for me it will take a lot of time, sir. I'll take all the options I have to read, and after that, all the topics concerned with that particular question I'll read. So sometimes 2 days also one question paper will take fully, sir. But it will be very useful, sir. It will be very rewarding at the end.
So when you saw the paper and you felt that this paper is for you, I think most of the questions that you have worked on and the areas that you have worked on appeared in this paper. So you got that feeling in the beginning or during the end of the exam or even after the exam. What did you feel?
During the exam, I had, okay, we are going at a good pace. We are able to select at least the good options. Everything was, images also were okay, sir. Not very tough, not very easy also. Questions were good. By the end of the paper, I think I felt very contented.
You've done a job. You've done a good job.
That's my feeling.
So you felt that you've done a good job after giving the exam.
Yes, sir. After finishing the paper, I felt very contented only, sir.
And did you expect rank number 1?
I knew my marks, sir. Nearly, because recently only before the interview, after finishing, I did not calculate anything because I thought, okay, we'll finish this and we'll read for NEET. And then after they called me for the interview, I thought I'll just roughly I'll calculate. And I think I was right. My mark I was able to tell correctly.
What was your calculation?
My mark was 60. 60 was my mark.
60 was your mark. I think everything went on well from your start of your preparation and to go on to your revision, and I think everything went on well.
Interview and also was very useful, sir. Basan sir's class, you have arranged for one or two interview classes we had, sir.
Yes, you had. And I want to ask you the question on behalf of all the SPEED faculties and students. Why you joined SPEED?
I wanted to crack the next NEET or INI exams. So I just joined SPEED. I knew it will be very useful. And it was really useful, sir. There's no doubt about it.
No, is somebody your seniors recommended or who? I mean,
also a lot of my seniors were NEET students only. They also recommended. I thought that was the right time for me to come, actually.
Okay.
That was the right time. I think it was.
So, overall to the SPEED course, what will be your feedback? Were you satisfied with this course?
I'm very satisfied. Very satisfied. Nothing needs to be changed.
Yeah, that's what I was about to ask you. Do we need to do anything more? Your feedback after the exam is important.
It worked for me. I think if it has worked for me, I think for most everybody it will work. Just everybody needs to put in some effort, and then it will definitely work. So no, nothing needs to be changed, and that's what I would like to say.
Yeah, because we keep changing every month-on-month basis based on the feedback. As the exam comes, we change the pattern, we change the course, we keep changing things as and when it is required.
I don't think anything needs to be changed. Just you can continue the same way.
Okay, so I will also request you after you join and settle with AIIMS and be a part of our team, a SPEED faculty team.
Thank you, sir.
As a resource person and a contributor, and really it will help a lot of students because you have gone through meticulously the entire program, and also you know what to do, what not to do, and from that perspective you will be able to guide a lot of people.
I know. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, once again I wish you all the best and all the success as a great surgical gastroenterologist in days and years to come, and happy new year to you and to your family, friends.
Happy new year, sir. Happy new year, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye. God bless you. Bye bye.